Well, this year I've kind of thrown myself into te ao Māori, into kaupapa Māori. You know, when you're in those spaces, kaua e whakamā, you have to do it. And in the beginning, that was real daunting. But now I kind of thrive on that kind of energy. Doing that has washed away kind of the facade of trying to fit in. And for me, just being myself. I mean, if I think of it in a practical sense, I can now hold my own on a marae. But if I think of it from a āhua or wairua sense, is maybe feel tau in myself. Tau in my Māoritanga, heoi, tau in just being a person that's living on this earth and enjoying life. So just before Te Toi Paitahi started, I went through a tough breakup, and instead of, you can have your cry, but instead of letting that melt me, I kind of turned that into fuel to push into uncomfortable kaupapa Māori spaces, and that's where I am now. To feel that, when I waiata, when I haka, my tupuna are there with me, enjoying the moment, and that in itself, it's kind of hard to explain how reclaiming your culture, your reo, can make you feel happy, but it just does. There's purpose to life now. When I think back to what made me laugh the most was just doing the haka, doing the haka with my mates and just enjoying being in their company, things like that, just enjoying life. Yeah.